right, let's talk about the step down. Now there's a big difference between the step down and the step up. So we're actually going to start on top of the box or of the bench. And this one's a little bit harder than the step up, since the focus is to not use your back leg at all. You're using 100% the leg that's on the box. Barely touch, and then push all the way back up. Okay, so where the step up, you're going all the way down and then pushing a little bit through that back leg. This one's a little bit more controlled, so you might have to find something that's not quite as high. All right, have fun.